Hi everyone. Today I will walk you through 3 demonstrations of the Rubbermaid Commercial Products Hygiene Disposable Microfiber product line. These demonstrations will illustrate the differences of hygiene disposable microfiber cloths compared with other cleaning products that your facility may be using, like multitask cleaning wipes and surface disinfectant wipes. When watching these demonstrations, consider how hygiene disposable microfiber can make a difference in your facility. Hygiene disposable microfiber can be an excellent solution for a variety of verticals, such as healthcare, transportation, food service, and education. To begin our demonstrations today, I will perform a durability test on all 3 cleaning products. I will start with the multitask cleaning wipe. You can see that it's easy to tear. Now I will attempt to tear the surface disinfectant wipe. As you can see, it's also easy to tear. Lastly, I will conduct the same test on our hygiene disposable microfiber cloth. From this test, you can see the superior durability of our cloth versus the other cloths. Because of its superior durability, our cloth can withstand harsh surfaces and last longer without tearing. The absorption and release of your cleaning cloth is important to the cleanliness of your facility and the efficiency of your cleaning process. To demonstrate absorption, I will be conducting our second test by wringing each cloth into a container. I will start with a saturated multitask cleaning wipe. You can see there is a limited amount of liquid released into the container. Now I will perform the same action on a surface disinfectant wipe. You can see that even with multiple wipes, there is still a limited amount of liquid released into the container. Lastly, I have saturated a hygiene disposable microfiber cloth according to the directions. When wringing our cloth, you can see how much liquid is released into the container, which highlights the superiority of our cloth's absorption and release. With hygiene disposable microfiber, it makes it easier to fully saturate the surface, helping you more easily meet the disinfectant's contact time, causing less user error. Finally, to demonstrate cleaning efficacy, I will use an orange gel that mimics soil or pathogens on a surface for a visual comparison. I have covered each tile with our demonstration gel to simulate the dirt and germs that may be present in your facility. I will start by using the multitask cleaning wipe to clean the tile to demonstrate its cleaning efficacy. As you can see, the wipe moved a lot of soil around but did a poor job of removing it from the surface. Next, I will clean the second tile with the surface disinfectant wipe. It also moved a lot of the soil around, but as you can see, it did not effectively remove the soil from the surface. Lastly, I will clean the third tile with our hygiene disposable microfiber cloth. Unlike the others, it effectively removed the soil from the surface. Overall, the hygiene disposable microfiber cloth is the most effective cleaning solution in both cleaning and removing soil and pathogens on the surface. As you observed during the 3 demonstrations, the Rubbermaid Commercial Products Hygiene Disposable Microfiber cloths are superior in the following ways. Durability, withstands hard surfaces and lasts longer without tearing. Absorption and release, ensures your surface is fully saturated to optimize cleaning efforts. Cleaning efficacy, not only cleans, but also removes unwanted soil and pathogens on the surface. Pathogen removal, tested by third-party labs to help remove pathogens. Rubbermaid Commercial Products hygiene disposable microfiber cloths and pads are proven to remove 99.7% or more of tested pathogens with water alone. To learn more about our comprehensive Rubbermaid Commercial Products microfiber portfolio, please visit rubbermaidcommercial.com or reach out to your local sales representative.